Hi, this is Sir Alex. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin paano kaya minumultiply ang isang binomial sa kapwa niya binomial. So as you can see, gagamitin natin dito ang tinatawag natin sa math na FOIL method. Pag sinabi natin FOIL method, it stands for first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. Ang ibig sabihin nun, yung bawat magkakapartner na terms na binanggit ko kanina, sila yung ipagmumultiply natin. So yung ating first terms, literally, ito po yung dalawang first terms ng ating dalawang binomial. So ito yung 2x and x. Okay? Next, for the outer terms, ibig sabihin, ito yung dalawang terms na nasa outer or nasa gilid ng ating dalawang binomial. Kung titingnan natin, yun ay sina 2x at si positive 2. So itong dalawa yung ating outer terms. So i-multiply rin natin sila, 2x times 2. Next, pag sinabi naman natin inner, so kabaliktaran lang siya ni outer. Kung ito yung ating outer, ito naman yung dalawa nating inner. So yun na ating i-multiply. 3 times x. And lastly, for the L, or the last terms, ito naman yung dalawang last terms ng ating binomial. So kabaliktaran naman siya ng ating dalawang f. So kung ito yung dalawa nating first terms, ito naman yung ating dalawang last terms. 3 and 2. Then, i-multiply lang natin sila one by one, applying the product rule. So 2x times x, since may coefficient tayo dito na invisible 1, so 2 times 1 is just 2. And then yung dalawa nating x, i-add natin yung exponents, magiging x squared. Okay? Next, di naman tayo sa pangalawa, 2x times 2. So ito naman, may meron tayo ditong dalawang coefficients na 2. Pag minultiply, magiging 4. Since wala naman tayong x sa pangalawang term, copy na lang natin yung x. Next, for the inner terms, since 3 tsaka x lang naman yan, so i-copy na lang natin 3x. Okay? And then for the last terms, since dalawang constant ito, 3 times 2, that is just 6. Pero if you will notice, itong si 4x at si 3x ay mga similar terms. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin silang ipag-combine by adding them. And 4x plus 3x will give us 7x. Okay? Then, yan na yung tatlo nating pagsusunod-sunurin. 2x squared, positive 7x, and positive 6. So the final answer in 2x plus 3 times x plus 2 is 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. Ngayon ay subukan naman natin sagutan itong ating ikalawang example, 5x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. Pero ang gagawin natin, ididiretso na natin isulat yung ating mga sagot. So unahin muna natin yung ating f or our first terms. At yun ay sina 5x and si 2x. So pag minultiply natin sila, 5 times 2 will have 10. Then yung dalawa nating x, pag pinag-add ng exponent, magiging x squared. Okay? Next, for our o or outer terms, ito naman yon. Yung dalawang nasa left and right, 5x and 3. 5 times 3, we have here 15. Then, copy lang natin si x. Sunod naman is yung dalawa nating inner terms. Ito naman yon, inner. So, we have negative 2 and positive 2x. Pag minultiply natin yung dalawa, negative and positive, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 4. Then, copy ulit natin yung ating x. And lastly, for the last terms, ito naman yon, negative 2, tsaka yung positive 3, o dalawa ulit magkaibang sign. So, magiging negative 6. And then, sa gitna, ganun ulit, nakita natin na yung 15x tsaka yung negative 4x ay pwede natin pagsamahin or i-combine dahil sila ay mga similar terms. At pag pinag-combine natin yan, 15 minus 4 is 11x. Okay? So, sulat lang natin ulit yung first term. Then yung answer dito, which is positive 11x, so plus 11x. And then copy the last term, negative 6. And that's it.